How to change phone number on Credit Karma. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on Credit Karma. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to change your phone number on Credit Karma, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. If you can't log into Credit Karma, find the email address linked to your Credit Karma account. Choose an account recovery option, or text a code to your phone number, or email a code to your registered email, or upload a picture of your driver's license, or answer identity questions if available. After selecting a recovery method, verify your birth year and social security number after entering the received code or scanning your ID. Once verified, create a new password and log into your account. Step 2. If you can log into Credit Karma on desktop or mobile web, tap here to log into Credit Karma and go to Security Settings. Enter your new phone number in the Add and Verify your phone number section. Tap the Update button. Select Text me to receive a verification code. If you don't receive a text, you can or send another text or get an automated call with the verification code, best for phones that can't receive text. Enter the verification code and tap verify. So that's how you can change your phone number on Credit Karma. That's all for this video.